Hello friends, today we will discuss about fillet welds symbol dimensioning according to American Welding Society. According to AWS A 2.4, fillet weld is a weld of approximately triangular cross section joining two surfaces approximately at approximately at right angles to each other in a lap joint, T joint, or corner joint. A triangle is used to denote the fillet weld symbol. Triangle symbol is used to denote the fillet weld symbol. The fillet weld symbol can placed above the reference line, below the reference line, and both sides of the reference line as per requirement. If the weld symbol is placed above the reference line, according to AWS, it is other side. If the weld symbol is placed below the reference line, it is called arrow side. And weld symbol can be placed on both sides of the reference line. One thing always keep in your mind, perpendicular limb must on the left side of the weld symbol. Perpendicular limb must on the left side of the weld symbol, and base of the triangle symbol or fillet weld symbol must lie on the reference line. Either it is placed above the reference line, below the reference line, or placed both sides. The direction of arrow creates no change in the significance of reference line. In other words, we simply can say that if there is any change in the direction of arrow, there is no change in the significance of reference line. Arrow side is always arrow side, or we can say that below the reference line, arrow side, other side, above the reference line, it is other side. Fillet welds are dimensioned according to fillet size, fillet length, and pitch, sometimes known as center to center spacing. Center to center spacing. First, we will discuss about fillet size. Consider an example. Reference line, arrow, fillet weld symbol. Fillet size always placed on left of the weld symbol, denoted by S. Weld size. Fillet length always placed right of the weld symbol, denoted by L. Length of fillet weld. Pitch dimension placed on the right of the weld symbol, separated by a hyphen. Pitch. Consider example with numeric values. Let fillet weld size is 1/4, length is 2, and pitch or center to center spacing is 4. Now this is fillet size length of fillet weld, and 4 is pitch, always separated by a hyphen. We can take another example. Arrow, reference line, fillet weld symbol placed below the reference line, left of the weld symbol, always fillet weld size, right of the weld symbol, length dimension, and pitch dimension is separated by hyphen. This is pitch dimension, length, size of fillet weld, fillet size or fillet weld size.